this is the image. Whenever we'll go there, this is our main page. When we will click on image button, it will come to the next page. So everyone, I am requesting you all, please like, share and subscribe my videos, so we can get the you can get the notification, and I will upload the more interesting, attractive, good looking website, good looking projects. Okay, thank you all, thank you for watching. Hello everyone, this is Deepak. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll start the another part of the project. So let's start. Okay. Before watching the video, please like and subscribe and share my video, so I can upload more and more video and more project. Guys, we have completed last project here. I'm opening with the live server. This is the project we have done last class. So today's topic is, whenever I will click on this menu, image button, then it will come to the another page. Okay. So how we will do that? See here, we need to write the button, right? We have to make it clickable. Okay, so how to make it clickable? By using the anchor tag. By using the anchor tag, we need to make the clickable. So we can click here. Where? Here. Okay, so nothing is coming here. So what I need to do, that we need to create a file. Okay, here I will create a file. File name is images.html. I have created a file here. I will give title name images, right? And h1 tag. Inside h1 tag I'm writing images, right? Yeah, and I will come to this source code. So where is anchor tag? This is here. I will write images.html. so I linked with this image. I have given here URL of images.html file. Okay, see, whenever I will again I want to open with live server, then when I'll click here, it will go to this page. Okay, I'll come to the images file, body bg color. I want to give some color here. Let's see the check in the color picker, right? List of hexa color picker. Hex color picker. Okay, so I want to give this color, right? This color. I want to give this color. This is the color picker. Copy the hexacode, paste here. Okay, and I want to write it center. See, it is in the center. I want to give the font here. Font. Inside the font tag I will write images, and I want to give here color red. Okay, and size, I can give here size 5, no 6, 7. We can give size 1 to 7. Okay, 7 is the last. Okay, I want to give here a font face. I have told you before that how to give the font face. Come to notepad. Okay, then come to format, font. I want to give this one. Come to here, paste here. Okay, nice images, but not look like good. I will give different one. Format, font. This one I want to give. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, yeah, nice. So let's start. I want to give here images. Okay, we can write in this format. Okay, let's start images. img tag. So it is an empty tag, right? Image tag is empty tag, so need to give the slash inside the opening tag also. And src, we can give the image here h1 h. See, image is inside this folder, image folder. We have a lot of images I have kept before. Okay, so no need to worry about it. Image, it is another folder, so I have to go to another folder. So how to write? Dot slash img slash a dot image. See, big image. I want to keep it small. So how do I write? First of all, give the width. Sorry, alt img, anything you can write. If image will not be loaded, so that time it will show. Alt text will be shown in that place. Right now, then I will use width. How much? 24%. Okay, small image. Okay, then I will give some image here. I will give some 4 images, A, B, C and D. As you keep simple your image name, that will be good. Okay, again I want to give some here image. See, I want to keep the gap inside this line. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I will give br tag for the break the line. br tag is an empty tag, so that's why what we're doing, so it is empty tag means you need to give the slash inside that opening tag also. See, I want to give different type of image for look good. E F G H. Okay, see, this is the different kind of image here, and again I want to give some image here. I want to give again bear tag, break the line, so some space will be there. Okay, and I will paste here. I want to give some H, H1, H2, H3. Okay, see, I can give here H4, H5, H6, H7. Wow, look beautiful. Okay, I can give here H9, H10. This is the beautiful image, and I can give here font developed by Deepak. Okay, I'll give some size here, size 5. See, I will give some bear tag. Okay, I want to change the color of the tag. I want to change the color of this text. Okay, color yellow or red. Okay, I want to move it, so what you need to do that, I have to write here marquee tag, marquee, it will move. Okay, so I want to give some width, and how to give width here, width 30%. Okay, see, background color BG color green. See, or blue. Okay, I think this background color is not good. So where is my color picker? It's not yeah, can I use this one? Or this is my color picker. I can give this color also. This is also good. Where is my image? Background color. Okay. This is okay. This color is nice, right? So here I will give here it will touch to the border and reverse back, and touch the border and reverse back, both side. So behavior alternate in marquee tag. Alternate. Okay, control the speed, scroll, amount 10. Okay, and I want to give some bold, it will look bold. Okay, see, this is the image. Whenever we'll go there, this is our main page. When we will click on image button, it will come to the next page. So everyone, I am requesting you all, please like, share and subscribe my videos, so we can get the you can get the notification, and I will upload the more interesting, attractive, good looking website, good looking projects. Okay, thank you all, thank you for watching.